Alright y'all, we're back with another video. Kind of heading to work right now. I'm kind of late for work, but it's all good. I'm gonna try and get more content out for you guys. And yeah, you know, I've been driving this car for some time now, and like, I really think it's a nice car. If you guys ever want a car that's small, easy to park, and that's fast, you know, this car is light, so it's fast, you know. It's a 2.0 single turbo, but it'll get the job done. Like, you get the right tune for this car and you're set. Really all you need is a downpipe tune, cool air intake, and you're pretty much chilling. Like, that's what I plan to do to this car. Appearance wise, plan on getting like white wheels, possibly front lip, white front lip, back fender, something like that, you know. Makes the car stand out a little more. And even like there's a license plate frame, the R32. It's a rare one because, you know, it's the older version, the Golf R. Yeah. So I plan on getting that too. It's just really expensive, you know. I saw on eBay it was like $400, but if I'm spending $400 on that, might as well like mod the car with that money, you know. I've seen in the comments this one guy said I should warm up the car more until it hits the like right oil temp before I push the car. And what he said is right, because I don't want to like strain the engine, you know. So definitely gotta keep an eye on that. Said I should keep like the RPMs to like 2,000, 3,000 for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then right when the oil temps hit the right temperature, that's when the car is fully warmed up and I won't strain the engine. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna drive normal for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then once the car is like warmed up, because I don't want to like hurt the engine, you know what I'm saying? So, but once it's warmed up, then I'll give the car some juice. The air quality is like really bad right now, so it's really not good to go outside because of the wildfire in Canada, and there's construction here, so yeah. Past few weeks there's been construction. As for this channel, I do plan on making more content, like I said in the past videos, so hopefully I can get more videos out for you guys. What is this guy doing, bro? But like I said, so far this car is stock. I haven't done anything to it, so, but definitely in the future I do plan on, you know, getting that soon. But until then, you know, I'm just gonna keep making these videos for you guys. Want to get more content out, and yeah, pretty much heading to work right now. It's pretty chill, man, honestly. See, like, you could hear the turbo, and it's not even on race or even in sport. You can still hear that whine a little bit. But, yeah. it's not gonna be good. That's what I'm saying, like, this car is light, like, it just goes. And even the cars like the S3, RS3, I like those too. Like, it's like kind of like sleeper. It's like, really, you just gotta get the right tune, honestly. Like, I think that's the main factor in this. It's like there's so many cars out right now. I mean, I guess it makes sense. 3 o'clock right now. There's hella cars out. Damn, I didn't think there was this many cars out. I mean, I guess it's kind of like, it's Friday, so, you know what I'm saying? See, like, you can see the police passing. Saying, like, this car, like, I'm telling you, man, like, this car is so nice, bro. I'm telling you right now, like, you can't touch this car, man. I can't wait to get that downpipe, bro. I'm telling you right now, once I get that downpipe, I'll be able to hear that turbo more. Oh my goodness, the car's about to sound so nice, bro. Keys, that might exit up there. I'm not sure. Might be. Definitely, race mode, definitely you can hear the sound a lot more, for sure. So yeah, that's my exit up there. Alright. I'm gonna get over more. And it does make the steering more stiff. I can hear the car more. Definitely is faster, you could tell, and just having it in comfort and putting it in sport. Because once you put it in race, it already puts it into sport, and it makes the car lower, and like the shifts, like it delays it a little more, so you can get that extra power. But yeah, this car is very enjoyable, man. I'm telling you, if you guys are considering getting a R, I'm telling you right now, like, you won't regret it. Either this or the S3 thing is a good choice, you know what I'm saying? Definitely a really nice car. I know I've said this like so many times, but it's really a nice car, man. You can see like the oil temps right here, the boost right here. I think right here, somewhere around here. But yeah, like you can also switch these. It has arrows right here, so yeah. I think there's gonna be a lot of people at my work because it's hot and it's Friday too, so I think it's gonna be a little bit busy, but I'll be alright. So many cars out. Yesterday I didn't see this many. I guess it's like because it's about to be the weekend, so everyone's coming out. Yeah, the steering's definitely more stiff, I could tell. like the feel to it. The speakers on this car also very nice. I cranked up speakers earlier, and you could definitely hear the bass, and like the speakers are so nice, man. Spot right here, and that's a nice BMW. Gotta park right here. We'll be good. It's loud, bro. The air quality isn't even that good, so I shouldn't be out, but this is the car right here. You know what I'm saying? So that's gonna be it. I don't know why that car is going off, but literally I would end the video outside, but I don't think you guys can hear me with that car going off, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.